Oh shit! There we go.
Wait. Just alright. Who's okay.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Victory!
All right.
Great.
Victory for the Horde.
For the Horde.
So now a slight issue.
No. Wait, yes!
Okay, cool.
Oh god.
Okay, so we have a radius we can repair, and now we can't repair anymore.
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh,
we just need to get across, and then once we're across, we're good. We have the storage capacity of
This is so good. Now I trust the agility of the cart with unladen. I don't know how well it's gonna work with a full load.
Yeah, neither do I. It's okay.
Yeah, I lost some paint there. This is highly effective.
Alright. Disembark.
Cool.
Yep. Yes.
I hope it's stuck on there. Okay.
It's fine that it's stuck.
Did you build a crafting table?
Yeah.
Okay.